Hi friends, my name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 13th November 2021. Today's topic name is public static void main in parenthesis string arguments complete parenthesis. So firstly we discuss about methods. A method is a way to perform some task. In Java programming, method are performs the specific task. Method is a block of code or statements are collection of statements. Then method declaration. Method declaration provides some information to visibility of code for return type, name, void, etc. Method declaration are divided into six parts. First one is a method. First one is a method name, method type, access specifier, parameter list, method body. Then we discuss about today's topic public static void main in parenthesis string arguments. In Java programming, public static void main in parenthesis string argument is a main method. In Java programming, the execution of programming starts with the main method. So basically, main method is used in Java programming. The syntax of main method is public static void main in parenthesis string arguments complete parenthesis. So firstly we discuss public. Public, the first statement is a main method is public. Public is a access specifier. Public is a divided into four parts. First one is a public, second private, third protected, and last is a default. First, public. Public is a also access specifier. We can declare the method public. Second, private. Private is a also called as access specifier. We can declare the method private. Third one is a protected. Protected is a also access specifier. We can use to declare method protected. And last one is a default. Default is a also access specifier. Second is a static. Static is a keyword. Then void. Void is a keyword. Void is not a return values. Void is a return type. Then main. Main is a used to main method. Main is a name of main method. And last one is a parenthesis of string arguments. Parenthesis completed. String is a declare. String is a class. String is passes to class with arguments. Arguments is a used in main method. That's all about public static void main parenthesis string arguments complete parenthesis. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.